Okay, hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video tutorials. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your own toner. This toner is good for oily skin and also for stubborn acne. All we need is 1 cup of uncooked rice. Okay, uncooked rice. And 2 cups of water. And 3 drops of tea tree oil, essential oil. So, we know that rice is rich of vitamins and minerals, and also treat the acne and also treat the blemishes, resulting to a bright and new rejuvenated skin. And we know that tea tree oil also, it's good for antiseptic and antibacterial. So let's go. But first, we're going to wash the rice. Make it sure you have to wash your rice. Okay, let's go. So I washed already the rice and I put the 2 cups of water. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to soak at least 1 hour or more. And then after that, we're gonna add the tea tree oil. Okay. Okay, so it's already 1 hour. This is the rice water now. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to add the tea tree oil. 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And then, we mix. Alright. Every time you use it, you have to mix it, okay? Because of the, the oil and the water. We have to mix every time we use it. Here we go. Now, so you have your own toner now, and this is natural. And you don't need to expend a lot of money. And here already. So, please, once again, like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video tutorial. Bye! See you again!